Hello friends, welcome to our next video. In this video we will discuss how to use group FaceTime on your iPhone or iPad. So let's start. First of all, we will check compatibility. Group FaceTime will work with all iOS devices that have iOS 12 installed, but the way it works depends on your device. Older iOS devices will join group FaceTime calls using audio only. The devices that can participate in a video group call include the iPhone 6s or newer, the iPod Pro or newer, the iPod Air 2 and the iPad Mini 4. Older iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch devices can still join a group FaceTime call, but they will hear the audio only. So there are two methods of using FaceTime app. First one is using group FaceTime. First one is using FaceTime app. Then next one is using Messages app. So first we will discuss through FaceTime app. Open the FaceTime app on your iOS device. Then tap on the plus sign in the top right corner, as you can see below image. Then search for and add who you want to call. You can add up to 32 persons in a call. Then tap either the green audio or video button at the bottom, as you can see in the second image. Next one is using a Messages app. Uh, Using Messages app, first of all, in a group conversation thread, tap the select section at the top of the screen with the contact names and photos. Then a drop down will present you with three options: audio, FaceTime and info. You have to tap FaceTime. Then sorry, a FaceTime group call then open on your device with a placeholder images for every person in the group chat. So this is how you can use FaceTime um, with through messages and the FaceTime app. I hope this video will help you, and if you like my video, do subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you for watching this video.